Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable sound effect in Knives Out. If you want to mute the sound effect and enjoy Knives Out without the sound experience, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Knives Out game on your device and from the home page, tap the gear icon at the top of the screen. This will then open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, from the left-hand menu, go ahead and tap on audio, and then you will come across this voice audio option. Tap on the disable button right next to master volume in order to mute all the voice effects and sound effects. Once you do that, you will then be able to turn off music or sound effect from your Knives Out game. And that's how you easily do it. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick game tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.